Now, Walk with Your Doc and Mayor has been going on across the province for about 7 years now. And to find out a little more, I have with me here Dr. Josh Gregan, a local Hope physician, to explain a little more. So what is Walk with Your Doc and Mayor?
Walk with Your Doc started in 2010. It was an opportunity for the doctors of BC to get out walking with your patients to promote health. In Hope, as we're always inclusive, we included the district and therefore the mayor this year. And so this was our first Walk with Your Doc and Mayor.
So why this event?
This event came out of an idea from a Dr. Ron Wilson in 2010. It was basically an idea to promote wellness. And so we all know the benefit of walking, both physical and mental health, both to help your weight, your exercise, your activity level. And so it came with this idea that we should not only be saying that in the office, but we should also be promoting it. And so it was an opportunity to gather with patients and people in the community to come and be active and have fun.
Do you walk often?
I walk, I have my Fitbit, I try and get at least 10,000 steps a day.
And how successful is that?
Most of the days of the week. Sometimes in working 25 or 30 hours in the hospital.
Okay.
It doesn't always work out, but I try and get out there at least every day.
So what's been perhaps the most rewarding experience in the past 3 years you've done this?
Oftentimes it's just an opportunity to get together and see people together. You know, as physicians, we see people when they're sick and lying in beds or sitting in chairs. And so it's nice to see members of the community out and being active. Lots of our patients are active. We live in this beautiful environment where people get to be out walking whenever the sun is shining. But we in the clinic and the hospital don't see them there. And so it's rewarding and fun to see them out in sort of natural, beautiful environments.
So now, new to the event this year is the addition and inclusion of the mayor. So I have with me here Hope Mayor Wilfred Victor. Thanks so much for joining me today. So why did you decide to partake in the event this year?
Well, I mean, doctors are a real important element of a healthy community, and we have an amazing group of physicians in Hope. So it's nice as mayor to recognize their good work and actually see them when I'm not sick, because normally when I see doctors in the community, you're a little under the weather and need some help, and it's kind of nice to walk with them together and share some good stories about the community.
How about the importance of walking? How much walking do you get in?
You know, I have no real excuse for not walking a lot. What I try to do is walk from my place to town once a day. I only live about 1.5 kilometers from downtown, so there's really no excuse for me not to walk. And when you live in a beautiful community like Hope, it's very pleasurable.
I guess just about kind of making sure the community walks, kind of how important is it for people to get out and walk, and what can they gain from it?
Well, I mean, fitness is huge. You know, we all have to focus on fitness because, and walking is not a high risk activity. Obviously, it's easy on the body. A lot of people aren't too keen on running, but walking is just a good thing to do. Gets the blood flowing. You get a chance to visit with your neighbors, when they're out as well. And we live in a little resort town, so it's fun to get out and see the beautiful scenery.
Great. Well, thanks for chatting with me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.